Well, I'm back with the second level of my work in progress, a game called The Hiker. And so let's just take a look at this and see what this is like. Our little character is back here. Again, I'll just point out that the water here is a solid sculpture piece. It's been effects added, animation has been added to it, so it looks like it's flowing water. It looks really pretty. And then we have the grass. Again, the grass is something I designed, I created, and I use it in my creations. But the trees are all come from what they call the Dreamiverse. Other people have created these things. This bridge was created by someone else. Nice job on the bridge. And then we come over here and look around. You can see that the flowers again. I like putting flowers in my fields. You just wander through here. I love this birch tree. Just beautiful birch tree that somebody created in the universe. Called it the Dreamiverse instead of the universe. It's a Dreamiverse because it's all full of dreamers who are creating wonderful things for other players to use. So here we are. This is a level 2, and you've got this beautiful waterfall. Again, this was made by someone else. And again, you can see that this is a solid piece of sculpture that has the effects added to make it look like it's running water. But just a beautiful, beautiful design. I'm going to stay here and take a look at that for a second. And again, the trees all coming from other people. So now we're going to wander down here and see where we continue to go on this level. We need to get across over to there, and we see that the bridge is out. Oh no, what are we going to do? The bridge is out. We can't jump across. So let's look around and see. Well, that tree over there is leaning. I wonder if we can somehow get that tree knocked down. Maybe we could get it to fall across and make our way across. Let's work our way over. And sure enough, it says, find an axe to chop down this dead tree. Well, let's go find an axe. Well, we've already been over there, and I didn't see an axe, so where else can we go? Let's go on down this way. Maybe they'll find an axe down here. So we'll just keep on going. It looks like there's a lot of detail here, but actually all these things are fairly simply designed. Now we come to a little farm, and we've got a wagon here that was, look at the detail in this. This was done by somebody in the Dreamiverse. I just love this wagon. Somebody did a great job with the barrels and the bags. Just amazing detail. Thank you. And then we have this little dwelling, a little barn, I guess you would call it. And again, we've got more these barrels with just great detail. And then behind this fence, I see an axe. That's just what we're looking for. We jump over the fence, and we grab the axe. Now we have what we need to chop down that tree and continue on our way to the next level. So we're going to go back here and just chop down, go over here, past the broken bridge, and we'll go back over to the tree and see if there's a way that we can chop that down. Come over here and press triangle to chop down the dead tree. Now I want to point out the dead tree is also something that I got from the universe, but there's also programming involved in this. I had to create what we call the logic. I had to create the logic for the player to be able to chop this tree down. I had to be able to create a place where it recognizes, first of all, we even recognize the player is there. So once we recognize the player is there, I have to be able to tell and be able to provide for the player to be able to chop down the tree. And so we use various effects to do that, but there's logic and programming involved. And it takes a while to learn the logic. In fact, for a lot of us people, the logic is the most daunting part of this whole game, is learning how to program the game so that the player can do what they want to do. Well, that concludes level 2. I'm not going to spring level 3 on you quite yet. I'm going to wait maybe till tomorrow or the next day. But I did want to just share that with you and hopefully see how easy it is to develop beautiful game levels with some things to do, little challenges for the player. And as we move up through the levels, you'll find that as I develop my skills, there's going to be more and more not I wouldn't say difficult, but more challenges ahead as we move through the levels. So I hope you'll come back and check out level 3 will be the next one, and I hope to put that up in the next day or so. Until then, I like to say, keep dreaming.